welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not new here, then welcome back to another video of Life with Jay, where my life is a movie because this shit just never fucking is. And as y'all can tell by the title, this is another travel vlog. We going to New York. Now y'all, just finished my hair this morning. I'm insane, y'all. Like I just finished like actual braids, and then like I ended up like curling the ends kind of. So I went ahead and finished that. Oh my God, is that one that's not curled? Yes it is. You know what, at this point, baby, it's okay. It's gonna have to be all right. Anyways, y'all, this one with, and y'all already know. Y'all already know what this nigga saw is finna be crazy. Y'all, look what we got already. Look what we got already. Hey, no breakfast, straight cut. But anyways, y'all, yeah, I'ma see y'all. I'ma just see y'all when I see y'all because yeah. But I just wanted to come say hey, y'all, get this vlog started. Until next time. Yeah.
Same nigga tell it on his own fam. The same nigga that you break your neck for. Be the same nigga that cross you out and wet you up. Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitch.
Okay guys, we finally made it on the plane. It is currently 10:53. And I got a window seat.
Baby ain't slowing shit down but the horsepower. Had to get the rolls and put the lambs up for a while. Still stepping on shit like somebody ain't picking up dog piles. Yeah, you know. These bitches hating, wish that they was living in my skin. I'm in a multi-million-dollar crib playing Sims. I'm packing out the garbage, trying not to spray the rims. Big mama John Deere, bitch, I come through rims. 10 bodyguards, I'm a motherfucking star. Bitch, it ain't no bumping me unless it's caviar.
Okay guys, finally off the plane. We in New York, y'all. Yeah, I was at the back of the plane, so Stacy them already got off, but they're waiting for me. But we made it, y'all. Hi guys. We in New York with it, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. It's at the airport and the day's already starting out good. Like, this is just fun already. Like, oh, I live for this.
Order the Uber.
Okay, y'all, we made it to where the little air train is. We just gotta get on. Yeah, it's so pretty.
As soon as I get to the
Here, y'all. I'm actually loving the blonde, y'all. I didn't think it's gonna be this tea. Maybe it's the lighting, like. I'm ready to add that. Y'all ready to titty bounce all over New York, no lie. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we are in the Uber on the way to the B&B. And then I'm gonna give y'all a little B&B tour, and y'all already know. And then we just gonna go from there. Okay, y'all. We here. We gonna start at the door. That it is. Bust the unit down now. So y'all starting at the door. This is the living room. Little dining room table. We got the kitchen. It's nice. This is the little game room they got. Got the bathroom. A little sketchy. Okay. Let's look in the closet. I don't know. There might be a closet. I just want to look in there and make sure there ain't shit up in there. Oh, okay, y'all, it's nothing. Just a little extra blanket, a little fan. I just had to make sure, you know. But y'all, so this is the room. This dresser is so nice. Oh my God, this is Kathy's room. This is nice as fuck too. I cannot lie. Oh, all the little signs. This is cutesy. This is Stacy's room. What the bathroom look like? Gonna be in here. Oh, they didn't look the same. This is Stacy's bathroom. That was gonna be something like drastic. The mirror. So cute. Yeah, bathroom. It's really cute. Is that a blow dryer? Okay, yeah, he litty. He got a blow dryer.
Alright, y'all. House meeting. Okay. Okay.
Look at the little gaming room, guys. Hey. Oh my gosh.
They even got a frother.
Yes, guys, this is my day one outfit. This is my little airport fit, and I'm gonna wear this as we walk around the city because it's just really cute. It's real cute. It's real chill. It's real calm. It's not too much. And I'm not gonna lie, this is not how I would normally dress, y'all. This is like a new little style for me. Like I said, I don't really wear bandeau tops or the capris, but this right here is really cute. I want to like bring these up some so they're like they're like fitted and not as loose, because these are a little loose, but that means your girl must have lost a little weight. Because when I first tried these on, these bitches was fitted. Yo, look at that ass. Damn, that ass fat. Oh, okay, but anyways, y'all, that's not what we're here for. But no, I just wanted to share my little airport fit. But yes, y'all, I have to do my makeup right quick. I think I'm gonna do a little simple bead. Might just do just a little blush, a little glitter in the eye. Cause I ain't gonna lie, it's hot outside. I don't feel like having too much on. I ain't even got no damn fan. And yeah. But y'all, this is how the queen is looking like, yeah. And my hair came out so fucking tea. Yeah. Hey guys, check in. We ready now. We're just walking in New York streets. Let me just show y'all what it's looking like. We headed to the train station so we can go to this like seafood restaurant. We finna walk across this bridge, the Queen of Skirt.
Like, this is like our first adventure. Like, we just left the Airbnb and we got ready. Like,
y'all see over the bridge? Yeah. Ah, scary.
We leave Monday, so.
Made it to the little train station. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. Cute. Well, not cute, but like cute, you know? Okay, y'all, so we made it on the train. This is how it's looking. Y'all, we litty in this city. Y'all see that? Y'all see my favorite restaurant, Mickey D's. Low-key a lot going on, y'all. Y'all. We here though. We here. And all the overstimulation. Wherever the wind take us. You want to say hey? But anyways, guys, we're here. Yo, like, I'm loving this. What the fuck is that? Oh, the fish. God damn, that shit stank. Yo, look at it. Hello, it's red. It's not for us to walk yet. Y'all, we in a liquor store, right? And we was finna get these little shooters. But while I turn around, and I see my favorite. Calling my name. Cut water. Cut, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me try. Here we are at the Jamaica Fish Mart. Oh, no, this ain't that.
This ain't that.
This ain't that. This not that.
What, they done changed it?
This ain't that. Is this that? No, this ain't that.
This is it, but this ain't that.
Baby, I just want to dance. Y'all, look, guys. Guys, this is the one where you make your own.
Oh my God, they alive.
Oh shit.
What though?
Y'all, they are alive and breathing. Oh my gosh.
They do look at
Y'all, this is so exciting. Y'all, got my stuff on. I'm scared. I don't want no fish. No fish. Y'all, look at the red snapper. Guys, I think I'm gonna get shrimp. Quick question. Hey, do y'all have potatoes?
Potatoes? There's no banana. That's one.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Guys, I'm gonna get shrimp. It's like it. This first looks like it. Yeah. Yo, should I get some mussels? Bro, why is this bag so big? Those are paws, I think. I do want corn. This is all I got right now, guys.
Steam?
Yeah, I guess. Boil, steam, whatever. Look, season the hell out of that. Not gonna lie. But I had to make sure my shit was right. Okay, y'all. We're gonna top it off with a little bit of oregano. Give it that little.
I'm still on that shit.
It's kind of hot, but we hot, so it's 10 times hotter. Y'all gonna fry my shit in the comments. Oh gosh, y'all gonna fry my shit in the comments. If I can't do shit else, I know how to season some shit now. Tea. Seafood boil, demolished damn near. Still got some left, but it didn't stand a chance, guys. I can't lie, that was so delicious, like, yeah. That shit was good, I ain't gonna lie to you. I got to walk that shit off. Gots to walk that shit off. Yeah, that was tasty though. Okay guys, just a little while later, we went back to the B&B, changed, and got ready for the little boat party. This is what we looking like. I gotta take this band off my head, but that's how we looking. Okay, y'all, we made it to the next little train station. Look at the city again, guys. And this time it is city over here. Oh yeah, let me give y'all a little time check too. Oh God, it's 8:40. That's what it's looking like. We on the next train. It's 9:16, maybe 9:18. Yeah, that's really it. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when we're on this train, and we're probably walking, I think. Yeah, I'll come back to y'all when we're walking. But we finally out the train. We finally out the train. We are leaving out. It looked like we gotta buy a motherfucking ticket. Damn. Oh, that way. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. Yeah. The skyscrapers are here. Okay, wait. All right, 20-minute walk. Look at it, guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Look, 10 out of 10. Like, way better than my camera. Regular phone camera. I forgot to tell y'all what I was doing, but it's gonna be a little loud now. But if you can't tell by the music, hi. I made a little boat party. This is the outfit. Like a fun window. And when it's over, I touch the window. You talk to this girl, I got it. Bitch, it's all in my pocket. Do you what you see? Is it what he always see, baby?
Yes, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ. Me, I didn't do it all along. We, young and crazy, grew up crazy.
Hey guys, that's a check-in. Drink number 1. It's a tequila sunrise.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't do it, do it, do it now. Lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should. Right on to and my crack, my neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack, my back, lick my pussy and my crack, my neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. Hey, go!
Crack back 3 times.
Hang on, wait, whoa.
This is where we're gonna be at tomorrow.
This is Manhattan. Yeah.
Spicy?
No.
It's not one of the gold.
To go. Thank you.
That's hard.
Okay, chat. That's how we looking. Time check. Oh, 9:10. Well, y'all probably can't see that. It's 9:10 a.m. That's how we looking.
9, 3 train to 3 minutes.
Atmosphere. That's how it's looking right now, but I'm gonna come back to y'all when we at a table because we already late. Y'all think I'm gonna get chicken? That's regular. It's not that crazy because I always get that, but
How you ladies doing today?
we're doing
Sorry,
good. No, you're fine. You wanna be? You can be fine.
What's going on? How you guys doing today? I just want to say, please enjoy. Thank you guys for being here today. Right? First time here?
Yeah.
Where you guys from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina?
Yeah.
Welcome.
Can I ask you to dispose of this though? Because I'm allergic.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I got you, girl.
Thank you so much.
You need anything else? Can I get you anything?
No. Can I get a little bit more, sir? Just a little bit more, sir. Thank you. Okay, guys. So this is my food here. Let me turn it right so I can really show it to y'all. But this is my food. I got chicken and waffles. This, I guess, is the cream dip. That's the honey mustard. And then I guess that's just syrup. But I did ask for a little extra syrup. And it did come with some coleslaw too. But I don't know about coleslaw with chicken and waffles anyway. But whatever the case may be, they had it. But this is how my food looking. I can't lie, guys. It smells good. Well, I'm really smelling the powdered sugar right now, but the powdered sugar smells really, really good. So first we're gonna try it with the syrup because why not? It's good, y'all, and it's hot. It's real fresh. I can't lie. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I don't like honey mustard, but I'm gonna try it just for y'all, so y'all can know what it's probably like. But I don't like honey mustard, so just be aware if I don't like this. But it's supposed to be like a pear honey mustard, but honey mustard is honey mustard if you ask me. But we're gonna see. So it's not bad only because the chicken and waffle is actually good, but I taste so much of the mustard and I just don't like mustard. Like, I really genuinely don't like mustard. Little maple cream. Yo, I lost part of the waffle and it's too much up here, but now I gotta eat it. So we're gonna see what this tastes like. I'm scared. Corn, it tastes like the cream for like cream corn. Like, it tastes good though. Like, it don't got a lot of taste to it. I just get like a hint of sweetness or something, but it's not bad. Ooh, it's liquor, not alcohol. Y'all, that shit was overly strong just now. You would think the ice would water it down. I feel like the ice is making it stronger. Maybe they got it infused in the ice cubes too. That would be kind of crazy. Because yeah. Shit, this how much I got left. I'm getting full. Yes, I'll be your wifey. You be my wife. Yeah, 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 yeah. Guys, we got church bed ponchos. because it's raining out. We don't got the umbrella. The umbrella's in the house. But we literally still in the city. But yeah, this how we look, guys. Sorry. We started this little convenience store to buy an umbrella and a poncho. At this point in time. And the poncho come with a little hoodie, so we see all of them. Okay, guys, here we are. We're outside walking. What the city's looking like. Right now it's a little rainy, but it's not too bad. But this is how I'm looking with all of this on. But it's okay because it's working out perfectly fine, so that's good. But yeah, guys, here we are. I'm gonna see y'all when we make it to Canal Street for the goodies. I'm recording in slow motion. So guys, I wipe my makeup off. Golly, I need to get some blotting strip. Oh, they have peanuts. Oh my goodness. In Chinatown with it. Hey. They have so much. Look at all the fruits. Do y'all see it? I rush. Y'all, look at it. I don't even know it, but look at it. Oh my gosh. Now, this is stuff I be seeing those videos on that I never tried. They got what? Hold on, wait. Let me see. Wait. What was that? The peach?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Strawberry, lemon. I think I'm gonna do strawberry. Yep. Oh my god.
You can go with
Oh,
them, that's your
thank you. Y'all, we're going to cut some slices. Okay, I'm gonna. I think I can I do sweet chili oxtail and then can I do jerk chicken, black truffle Alfredo? We're gonna try this ice cream right here. Nervous. I'm actually gonna need an SD card. Mine is destroyed. What is this? Why is this coming on? Okay guys, so we just, yeah, it's a mess right now. It's not bad though. This shit tastes like strawberry milk.
It's just
This is strawberry milk.
that's just like a mango cake with vanilla ice cream. Okay guys, this is the pizza. This is the pizza. I got sweet chili oxtail and jerk chicken, black truffle Alfredo. Thank you. Or something like that. But this is what I got, guys. We're gonna taste it and see what it's talking about. I kind of know it's fire, but I'm gonna try the Alfredo one first because I love Alfredo. Not necessarily oxtail.
I don't know.
Good at 8.5. Oxtail. That's the sweet chili oxtail.
Damn, you already have a slice? Oh. You only got one? So where's he going?
It's kind of big, but I wish they put some pasta noodles on there and baked it. That would have been.
I should probably say something for later. I ain't Damn.
Damn.
That's all I can say is damn. Like,
Okay, guys.
I don't know. I ain't bring another one. I already know I didn't.
It's a sweet chili oxtail.
I got earrings.
This shit look greasy as fuck. I can't lie.
You got the curry or the sweet chili?
Sweet chili. It tastes like stew on pizza.
Yeah, it do taste like stew. It don't necessarily taste like oxtail.
Yeah.
No, I hated it, right?
It's like my. I do. Look at this Amazon bike mobile bus. I don't know, but this nice. This real nice. I like that. That's okay, guys. So we're on the subway. Yeah, this is what it is, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna put the camera so I can see it. This is the subway, guys. I can't lie, it's hot as hell down here. This is it, y'all. This is it. What in the fuck? Look, guys. It's pretty in the city. I forgot the lyrics, but yeah. Times Square, I guess. Well, I don't. Well, oh, we have to head there. We're not there yet, guys. Sorry. Oh, we finna be there. Look at this, y'all. Hold on, I'm finna turn around so I can show y'all. But hold up. Guys, look at this. Y'all, sorry the quality's a little different. We're recording on the phone now. Camera don't got no storage on the SD card, so phone we resort to. But guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. Look, guys. Do y'all see this? It's so lively. Like, and I see this sign. Y'all see that? It was like, what's going on? But anyways, we're just trying to show you how the city. You know, that's what we seeing. But guess, guys, we're going and going and going. I love this. I really do love this. Y'all, so we decided to come to Applebee's because, you know, they got the dollar margaritas. But y'all, I see some other stuff already, y'all. They got a blue Hawaiian Long Island iced tea. And if y'all know, then y'all know the blue Long Island get me there. I can't lie. Hey guys, so like I told y'all, we was probably gonna order. We got the blue Long Islands. I already told y'all we was probably gonna get those. But we got the blue Long Islands, and yeah, here we are. But I'm gonna try y'all with her lip because I want to snap a little picture first. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all. We're gonna try it. Okay, guys, we finna leave the beer. Lying like fuck, actually. We are about to leave the Applebee's.
And look, I'll show you this heavier. All this shit you got motherfucking pieces. We just about to go Target, more shit. Just about to get more and more shit. We gotta go home. We gotta go to the damn. This is out of hand.
But anyway, guys, here we are. But yeah. Just are walking. I'm finna smoke, y'all. And we found that it's a rainbow, so you know I would not be me if I didn't go to the motherfucking rainbow. I'm sorry. Sorry, call it what you want, but shit, I'm going every single time for the rainbow. No lie. Y'all, my pizza sliding all across the fucking box and shit. But I got all this stuff. I got my mama bag I'm carrying with all this shit in it. Like, y'all, I have so much shit. Like, too much at this point, honestly. Okay, guys, we're back, and I got this cheesecake. I'm finna show it to y'all. It's an Oreo cheesecake. I'm gonna have to show y'all like this. Yeah. Y'all, and I don't really like cream cheesecake. I really like the crust, but the Oreo one actually doesn't look too bad. But I love cookies and cream, so I don't mind trying the cookies and cream one. So we're gonna see what it tastes like. We're gonna see what it tastes like. It's not that bad. Remind me of that one from Burger King. I do mainly like the crust though and the little cookie pieces. Like, actually, it's time to go, actually. Now. No lie, like. Hey guys, we back on the camera. Whole time, y'all, I had the extra SD card with me, but I was looking for it earlier and I could not find it. But I just found it as we were on the train. But we're on the train again. Stacy sleep. I'm keeping track because y'all, last night some crazy shit happened, but I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. We can actually be in there. But cause I gotta pay attention to it. But yes, y'all, we are on the train. We are on the way to Jamaica Station. Just the orange still look good. My edges are plugged though. Look at them, y'all. They're literally flops. Like it just flopped. The outfit's still cute though, but hair no. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when we get off the train so I can pay attention. Okay. So see you guys later. We made another stop, went to the liquor store, found looks like you can get in Jamaican beef patties. And that's how we went there. Please still didn't get no pictures. No pictures. No flicks whatsoever, but it's okay guys. I need to rub it up like now actually. Yes guys, we're here. We about to get back on a train. I'm gonna go home so we can change and stuff.
What we about to do?
We gotta find a hair store if you want that. You did say you want to go to a hair store. I got a spray doing it. I wanted a rug one, but the rug time he had, I ain't never used it. And I ain't finna be trying to do shit because my arm is too sensitive. But yeah, guys.
Outside of magic, low when I'm ripping the plastic, low when I'm popping the last, 7 on the day.